This is the Ray-Dar. It is a Arduino ambient data display that uses real-time cloud coverage and UV data of resorts and vacation spots. Cycling through the weather patterns of 5 days of the week, users can see what type of UV protection they need to put on, as well as the cloud coverage and the strength of the sun, represented by the light of the LED strip. To move the clouds, we used 3D printed lever arms on servo motors. To light up the sun, we used a NeoPixel LED strip. And to light up the UV protection logos, we used 4 separate LED bulbs. No one likes getting sunburned. It can ruin your vacation. Having this in a resort lobby, pool house, pool room can inform people to put on the correct UV protection and save themselves from the harm that the sun may cause. This is the Ray-Dar. Protect yourself from the sun and have fun doing it.